everyone, welcome to Fake versus Real Money. My name is Rashmi. I'm a founder of Fake versus Real Money, and also I'm co-founder and COO of Vihana Passions LLP. This is our website. Before I used to work as a QA engineer in IBM. When I left my job to build my own company, my startup company had no revenue, so I don't have any money. No money. So it was necessary to find some part-time income which can replace my salary. Besides, all my savings are going away. What to do now? Oh my god. As everyone, I also searched in Google and I found lot of options. Not only Google but also I searched in YouTube. You can see how many people are teaching how to earn money in these videos. $100 per hour, $100 per day, etc. etc. If money making is so easy, why everyone is going to college or doing jobs? Not only did I search in Google or watch YouTube, I also started to sign up with a few genuine websites like freelancer.com, Upwork, People Per Hour, etc. Now I started to understand one thing: not all Google mentioned websites are genuine, and I don't get a job immediately in genuine freelancer sites. Am I only one or others also face the same issues? You can see here. There are so many comments coming here. This site is fraud. Some mentioned it. It's Hindi home job is fraud. Someone mentioned. Actually, even I faced this issue. I lost my money. They will take some 77 rupees and they will ask to send that Paytm screenshot, but they don't even respond after that. Here, someone is also mentioning the same. Here, another one is example. What they will say in YouTube, it is different in end user scenario. Here they are telling like $20 per hour, $10 per song, etc. But in real scenario, people are telling like that mentioned site is not giving that much money, or I don't. Even I checked in the same site. I didn't get any one single song over there. You can see here, one fraud YouTuber just gave wrong information to get views. It is a case about he earns point 0.400 per day, and on YouTube he say like $400 per hour you can earn, something like that. You can read here. Yes bro, आज तक मैंने इसकी वीडियो से एक भी पैसा नहीं कमाया. And another one is like I earn, but it is not as much as it was, something like that. Here I am not saying everyone is fake. Few people are trying to give real or genuine information, but just it would be like half information, or whatever they told in YouTube is not working for you as in reality. And one more thing, it is a real fact. They will tell like $100, $200, $400 per hour. It is because people get excited to look or see what is there, something like that. To get that view, they will start to tell like these fake things. In this example, you can see he is a genuine YouTuber and is giving some half information. So people telling like, सर वर्क करके बताओ रजिस्ट्रेशन तो हम खुद भी कर लेंगे. Another one is like, sorry sir, but आपकी वीडियो देखकर कोई बिगिनर अर्न कर सकता है. फुल इंफॉर्मेशन वर्क करके बताओ. It means that people want someone who really earning, someone expert or who is earning real money out of it. Now I started to make a fake or genuine websites list. Hey, finally I started to earn little money. Of course, not as much they told us on websites or YouTube, but it started to work. One more thing I forgot to mention that is related to social networking. That's how actually I started to um, do this. There are some fake things you might be seeing in social network, like you earn 500 to 2000 rupees per day, and when you go and personally ask, they will ask 2000 rupees, 3000 rupees as the initial payment for the software or something, etc. Even I faced that issue. You can see one commenting here like it is 100% fake. Okay, maybe I think he also faced the same issue. Another one is something related to how sexual harassments happen in social media network in the name of work from home job. Here she mentioned like any ladies for work from home, and when personally we ping, they will tell like this: can you take a brand bikini pic and I will give you money, something like that. These are all nothing but sexual harassments. Ladies, please be careful, be aware of these things, and please go with the genuine things only. Related to data entry, you might be seeing some companies or mediators ask to join some plans for data entry. You have to pay money as 1000 or 2000 rupees advance, and you can start work and get. When first time you are getting payment, your advance get returned. I'm not telling everyone is fake. Okay, if you are know someone who is really earning, go with that. But sometimes what happens, they will take advance money, and they don't return advance, and they don't pay you also. It is because see why actually in data entry they will take advance, because everyone think like data entry is very easy and I can do aram say. Okay, but it is not like that. Even one single character if you miss, entire page whatever you typed, it is gone live. Okay, it's a loss. So that's why they will ask the data entry. It should be like perfect kind of things. You should do data entry. Be aware of these work from home job opportunities in social networking. This is also one reason why I started this real money. Okay, guys, one more thing I want to tell you. See, if money making is so easy, everyone was doing the same things, right? So, and this money is something like it is nothing like representative of this person has good political power, or this person has something like a land power, or this person has good knowledge power. Okay, when you are earning some money with some business tricks and hacks, as having your own unique idea, then you are look something different, and uh, whatever you earn money, that is having some value. Okay, even though you are earning money in the office,
as a software engineer or a doctor or a clerk or as a bank employee, whatever. It is because of your knowledge. It is showing your capacity of your independency. So please don't go with this copy paste or just by click. These are all like a fake. Okay, I will introduce in my website or blog, whatever, those things. We continue with this.
I already told you that I have not just started to search online or part-time work to earn money. I had a dream to build my own company or own startup. And when I left my job, uh, I had no revenue from my company. So, as a replacement of my salary, I was searching for a part-time work. I started to attend my business meetings like Meetup.com, Founders Club Meets, and etc. I built my own client network, some contacts. Also, I started to ask um, if there is any project or work available to me personally. Now, most of those were irrelevant to me or not matching with my skills or not with my team skills, or like we don't provide those services. So, as a freelancer, I knew struggles. Now, one idea came to my mind: why can't I connect these employers to freelancers? The fake versus real jobs hired by my friends or contacts or my client network. Also, whatever I listed on my checklist may be helpful to others who are just looking to earn money like me. So I started to write my experiences as blogs. I'm writing fake websites list also uh, because my readers should not trap or waste their valuable time. Now you might be thinking, okay Rashmi, we agree whatever you said all are correct. What do we do now? Read the blogs related to my experiences on either fake or genuine websites. If it is a fake, you can save your time. If it is genuine, whatever hacks and tricks I used to earn money, particularly on that website, you can download. Before you get hired, I conduct tests. Based on test results, I will hire. Unlike other freelance sites, you no need to bid here. I follow the first come first serve system. Who all will be qualified in the test get hired, get paid as soon as work is complete. Also, if someone not working assigned a job will be blocked permanently. So make sure you accept work only if you can. See, you have to understand on the humanity base. Here I am trying to help who want to work and on. Neither you work nor let someone to work. So here my sincere request. Don't accept work if you can't. Another important thing. If someone is earning, please share your experiences with me with proof so that my readers get benefit. Definitely, I'm not going to blindly publish it. I do experiment and publish the post. So, kindly note these points once again. I'm not giving any fake promise that you will earn without skills wherever you apply job with the particular skills. Okay? You can earn money even without skills, but only your dedication is important to learn tips by these blogs. Of course, I am not going to ask you money to invest. I know the struggles. Second one is I'm not asking you to do sales, marketing, or channeling kind of business also. You know, right? Channeling kind of business means selling products as channeling basis. There will be upper line, lower line, etc. Yes, I promise you can also earn more money only if you follow my terms and conditions when you applying job. Also read and follow my blog tips. Yes, I promise you. Next one is last but not the least. I will also publish posts regarding fake websites so that you don't waste the time and energy. Instead, you put it in doing right things and earn money well. And to my channel introduction video name, I kept it as Earning Crores or Secret Disclosed 100% genuine. Reason number one, practically how your curiosity turn into catchy titles. This is why fake website, social media referral posters, YouTubers, and even half information sharing people give title like this. Earn money $100, $500 per hour, per day, etc. But I observed expert video YouTubers who really earning money. They never ever tell you like this or give title like this. This is my observation. Reason number is uh, title to tell you one bitter truth that you can earn money only if you provide service which can influence so many people. For example, superstar Rajinikanth or Shah Rukh Khan or Big PM Amitabh Bachchan or Puneet Rajkumar, Kalyan Kumar or whatever, Chiranjeevi. There are superstars out there in the film industry. They don't get paid just for their actors, uh, like in the crores. They get paid in crores because their films affect in the film industry, which includes small junior artists and distributors. It affects so many people and also in normal people life. That's why. And another one example, you can see Mark Zuckerberg, Facebook founder. He affected so many people life. And Mukesh Ambani, Jio founder. He affected people life with Digital India. So here I wanted to tell you the key is you can also earn in crores only if you affect so many people life with your good service and also having passive income. What is passive income that you can check in the Google. So I finally disclosed the secret here. Congrats. And this is how you can become millionaire. So my request, come out of this quick reach or shortcuts if someone is saying like just by one click or just by copy paste without any skills you can earn $100 per hour per day, $500, $1,000. Don't believe these things. And also I forgot to mention, I have mentioned in my title 100% genuine because in my site I only post the truth. Now you can decide, do you need a lying and cheating website or YouTubers or something like that? Or tell the truth, make you earn money in right way. It's up to you. Last one more thing I clarified. Uh, Whatever I mentioned before, LLP is different that I started with the partnership and take versus real money is different. There is no link between these individuals. It is just I started and it is owned by me only. This is introduction of fake versus real money. If you're looking for genuine YouTube channel, you can subscribe here. It will encourage me to do more. That's it. Happy to sharing is caring. Thank you.